Are you tired of wearing glasses but intimidated by the idea of putting in contact lenses? Well, you're not alone. In fact, studies show that up to 45% of people who need vision correction choose glasses over contacts because they're afraid of putting them in. But fear not, because today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know as a beginner on how to put in contacts with ease and confidence. If you are new to wearing contact lenses and want to learn how to put them in without any discomfort, this video is for you. I will guide you through the process step by step to make it easy for you. Before we begin, I would like to introduce myself and my channel. I am here to provide you with all the necessary information regarding your eyes, vision, and the best vision products available. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to stay updated on my latest content. However, before we start with the tutorial, I would like to remind you that it is best to have already taken a fitting course with an eye care professional at your eye clinic or an optical store. This hands-on training will give you the best chance of success with contact lenses. Your eye care professional can guide you on how to put in your contact lenses correctly, how to handle them, and troubleshoot any problems you may encounter. Additionally, if you accidentally hurt your eye while inserting the contact lenses, you will already be at the eye clinic, and the doctor can attend to you immediately. The initial step in maintaining good hygiene is to thoroughly wash your hands. There are numerous microorganisms, bacteria, grease, and germs that can dwell on your hands. It is imperative to eliminate these contaminants by washing your hands effectively. After washing your hands, it is crucial to dry them properly. The ideal approach is to use a lint-free cloth or towel to avoid any residue from getting stuck in your fingers. These fibers may then get transferred onto the lens, and it may cause discomfort to the eyes. Therefore, it is essential to ensure that your hands are entirely clean and dry, and there is no lint residue. If you wish to confirm your contact lens prescription, it is recommended to begin with the same eye each time you insert your lenses. As someone who is right-hand dominant, I personally opt to insert my right contact lens first. Although some contact lenses may come in tiny glass vials, they are typically found in blister packs like the one shown here. To remove the contact lens, use the padding of your pointer finger to pick it up. Be cautious not to hit the lens with your fingernail as it may cause damage to the lens. Additionally, if you have lengthy fingernails, it is advisable to trim them to decrease the likelihood of injuring your eyes. Moreover, it is best to place the contact lens on the pointer finger of your dominant hand, as this will provide you with better control. When it comes to using contact lenses, it is crucial to examine them thoroughly for any potential defects. This entails carefully inspecting the lens to check for signs of chipping, wrinkled edges, or tearing. If you happen to come across any of these issues, it is highly recommended that you avoid using the lens altogether and opt for a new one instead. Ensuring that your contact lenses are free from any visible defects is essential for safeguarding the health of your eyes. Wearing a damaged or defective lens can lead to discomfort, irritation, and even infection. Therefore, taking the time to scrutinize your lenses for any flaws before inserting them is a prudent practice that should be adopted by every contact lens wearer. In short, a thorough inspection of your contact lenses is necessary to maintain good eye health. By checking for defects such as chipping, wrinkled edges, or tearing, you can avoid any potential discomfort or harm to your eyes. Remember to dispose of any defective lenses and always use a fresh pair to prevent any complications. It's important to pay close attention to this section as it is crucial for ensuring comfortable wear of your soft contact lenses. Soft lenses are designed to sit on the eye in a specific way, but they can sometimes become inverted. Wearing an inside-out lens can cause discomfort and result in variable, fluctuating vision. To determine whether your soft lens is correctly oriented or inverted, it's recommended to examine it from the side. When the lens is correctly positioned, it should resemble a perfect bowl. as shown in the accompanying image. On the other hand, if the lens is inverted, the edges will appear flared out, as shown in the image. If you have difficulty identifying this, seek assistance from an eye care professional. Ensuring that your soft contact lenses are properly oriented is crucial to prevent discomfort and ensure clear vision. So, take the time to inspect your lenses carefully before wearing them. If you're looking for a different approach to ensure your contact lenses are in the right position, you might want to try the taco testament. This method involves gently pinching the lens from the sides to see if it folds in on itself, resembling a taco. If it does, then the lens is sitting correctly. However, if the lens is inside out, pinching it will cause it to fall outward instead of folding in. This indicates that the lens is not in the right position and needs to be corrected. By using the taco test, you can easily determine if your contact lenses are correctly positioned, without having to rely solely on your vision. This test is particularly useful for people who are new to wearing contact lenses or those who struggle with getting their lenses in the right position. There are different ways to insert your contact lenses, and one of them is by looking into a mirror while standing upright. Alternatively, you can also look down into a mirror on a countertop. Choose the method that works best for you, and always ensure that your hands are clean before handling your lenses. The key to easily inserting your contact lenses is by mastering control of your eyelids. For many, the fear of having anything near their eyes is the main obstacle to inserting contact lenses. By learning to control your eyelids, the lid will not interfere with the lens, and it will not fall out. To achieve this, you need to use both hands. With your non-dominant hand, use your middle finger to hold the upper eyelid at the very top edge and hold it to the orbital bone. This will ensure that the upper eyelid remains steady. Then, with your dominant hand, use your middle finger to hold the lower eyelid, while holding the lens on the point of finger. When you bring the contact lens to your eye, it can be a little daunting at first, but remember that the lens acts as a shield to protect your eye. It is unlikely that you will feel anything as you touch the eye with the finger that has the contact lens in place. If the lens touches your lashes and falls out, don't be discouraged. Simply clean the lens with some solution and try again. There is an optional step you can take to make the insertion process more comfortable. Some people find that adding a single drop of solution into the lens provides an extra cushion. To insert the lens, first, hold the top eyelid in the middle with one hand and the bottom eyelid in the middle with the other hand. Then, put the lens straight onto the eye and blink a few times. It's important to note that your vision may not be perfect right after inserting the lenses. The lenses may need some time to settle on your eyes, especially if you have an astigmatism or toric contact lens. These types of lenses have a weight built into them, which helps them orient themselves correctly on your eyes. Give it some time, and your vision should gradually improve. Once you've successfully inserted the contact lens into one eye, it's time to switch and do the same for the other eye. Some people prefer to switch hands, using their dominant hand to hold the top eyelid and their non-dominant hand to insert the lens. Personally, as a right-handed individual, I switch the lens to my left hand and use my dominant hand to hold the lens for the other eye. It's important to remember that inserting contact lenses takes practice, and it may be challenging at first. Don't be discouraged if you encounter some difficulty, especially the first time you try. When I first started wearing contacts at the age of 13, it took me almost 2 hours to figure out how to put them in. With time and practice, inserting contact lenses will become easier and more natural. Don't hesitate to seek help from a professional or a friend who wears contacts if you need it. We hope you found this video helpful. Were you able to successfully insert your contact lenses? Let us know in the comments below about your experience and any other tips you have for getting the lenses in. Now that you've learned how to put in contact lenses, it's important to know how to take them out. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll cover that topic.